Hello everyone, welcome to SweetieSembly, where I show you how to assemble your baby products. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Chicco Keyfit Caddy. If you're new here and would like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you get notifications whenever new videos come out. Okay, now into the video. So these are the items that we need. One is the caddy. Two are the front wheels. Three, the rear wheels. Four, the arm bar. Mine came connected to the caddy, but some don't. Five is the parent tray. Six is the basket brace. Seven is the accessory bag. Step 1, attach the basket brace. So what you gotta do is you insert the basket brace through the sleeve and you snap it securely onto the rear frame tube, like so. Step 2, attach rear wheels. You click them into the caddy frame at the bottom as shown. You should hear a click on both sides. Then pull on the wheels to make sure that it won't come off. Step 3, attach basket brace to basket frame. You take the basket frame and you flip it over to the bottom, and then you take the basket brace and you snap it onto the frame. Step 4, open caddy. Once the caddy is standing upright, put your hand on the release handle and pull up on it while pushing on the arm bar. Then push the arm bar all the way down until the caddy opens up and you hear 2 clicks. Step 5, attach accessory pocket. First, you take the accessory pocket, this one here, and you slip it onto the bar that is under the handles. Once it is slipped on, you thread the pocket over the top bar and then you snap it on so that it stays. Just like so. And this has 2 pockets and you can keep all of your things here, such as your phone. Step 6, attach parent tray. You take the tray and you line them up with the grooves that are inside of the handles here. Once that is lined up, you push hard on the tray until you hear 2 clicks and it no longer moves. Step 7, attach front wheels. You take the front wheels and you come to the front of the caddy and you click the wheels on. Once they are clicked on, you pull on each wheel to make sure that they won't come off. Step 8, assemble the storage basket. Pull both sides of the storage basket fabric up and wrap it around the basket frame. Then snap the 6 buttons into place. For easy access to the storage basket, you can actually come to the front and unzip this flap here. That way you can put your things in quickly and easily, and then zip it back up. To use the brakes, all you have to do is push on the levers on the back of the rear wheels, and then to unlock, you just push up. To adjust the handles, what you have to do is press on the buttons that are on the sides, and while pressing on those buttons, you push the handle up to the height that is the most comfortable to you. If you want the handles out of the way completely, you have to press the buttons once again and then push the handle all the way down. To insert the car seat onto the caddy, what you do is press the car seat on to the frame and make sure you hear 2 clicks. Once you hear those clicks, pull up on the bar to make sure that the car seat is locked in. To remove the car seat, you have to press up on this big orange button and then pull up. To close the caddy, what you do is pull up on the release handle and then pull up on the arm bar, closing it all in together, like so. And there you have it, folks. That is what the final product looks like. Alright, so that's how you assemble the Chicco Keyfit Caddy. If you're new here and would like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell button, and smash that like button below. Also, let me know in the comment section below if 1, you would like me to show you how to use these products, or 2, if you would like me to show you the safety guidelines or best practices for these products as well. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.